I want to show y'all a few different little things that we can do with canned biscuits. And today I am going to make a waffle out of a canned biscuit. So I'm using the Aldi brand Grand biscuits, so the big ones. And I have my little waffle maker here. And I'm going to press that down and cook that. And it is going to make this waffle. It's a real cheap way to have dinner, or you can, depending on what you pair it with, and a cheap breakfast as well. Just a few cans of biscuits and you'll have some waffles. I'm going to get done with this can of biscuits. I'm doing 2 8-count cans to make 16 waffles, and I will show you what I plan on doing with them. Okay, y'all, all done. So I paired this with chicken fingers. My family likes chicken and waffles. It was really quick and easy, budget friendly. And you can also, I showed you with the mini waffle iron, you can also use a bigger one. You'll just have to put more biscuits in there. But I didn't want to drag mine out because it's just real big and bulky, but really easy and quick. And I've already had a couple of them try them and they said they were really good. This one is going to be called Honey Ham Biscuit Sliders. I used grand size biscuits. So what you need to do is spray your baking dish, set it aside, but I already put my biscuits in the bottom of this. Preheat your oven to 400 first and foremost. Spray your pan, put your biscuits in. This is an 8-count can. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of honey mustard in the bottom, on the bottom part of the sandwich. You can use honey mustard dressing, and I would have preferred that, but I did not have it. I thought I had some and I was out, but I did have a little bit of honey mustard.
Here we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
We're going to use Swiss cheese. Instead of shredded, I'm going to do sliced.
Here we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
We're gonna put very thinly sliced ham. This is Black Forest ham on each one.
Don't you tell me that you're in town. I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling.
I'm gonna take some more of the sliced cheese, put it on top here.
My own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense.
Use another can of biscuits and top these.
I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I would die if I saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me.
I melted a little bit of butter on top.
Now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written in stone.
So I'm gonna put these in the oven, 400-degree oven, for about 12 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my honey ready. I'm gonna warm it in the microwave and get it ready to brush on top when these come out. Okay, so pulled it just out of the oven. You're gonna wanna take some warm honey and spread on top with your brush. I just took my honey and put it in the microwave to warm it up. Okay, y'all, so I took the one biscuit out of the pan, the one slider out of the pan, and I paired it with some tater tots. It was pretty simple. I thought it was gonna be a little bit complicated, but it wasn't. It was pretty simple and it was cheap, and I'm sure my family's gonna like it. I've already taken a pound of ground pork sausage and cooked it and drained it and set it aside. Now we are gonna make the filling for our biscuit cups. You need an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese softened. I've already put that in there. Here is our ground sausage. You're gonna need about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And you're gonna need about 1.5 cups of cheddar.
Startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
Got everything mixed together. All right, let's set this aside. I've already taken my mini muffin pan and I've greased the cups. Regular size biscuits. Woo. This is what they look like. I just got the Walmart brand. You're gonna need 20 total. And remember, this is a mini muffin tin. You could probably use a bigger one, but you're gonna have to adjust your recipe. So we're gonna put this in here. We're gonna make little cups.
As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel.
You take about a teaspoon of filling and place in each one.
Scale the world in halves as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our
So we're gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes. And I will show you what it looks like when it comes out. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, y'all, this is the biscuit bites out of the oven. I've already arranged them on the plate, getting ready to serve them. I paired them with some hash browns. Really, really easy, simple, quick. They could be for breakfast or they could just be for like appetizers. They are perfect. The little mini muffin size, it makes it perfect for bite size appetizers or breakfast or just some quick breakfast on the go kind of situation. So real easy, really fun to make. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.